locked him up in turn one. The car in front of me went off, and I braked too late, and I followed him.
I was wondering what happened to you.
Yeah.
Because I knew where you should be.
Guess what my lap time was?
59.
Oh shit. How dirty did I get it?
Huh?
How dirty did I get it? Oh, that's not that bad. Whose tail light is that?
Dude, sick car, man.
Appreciate
sick
it.
car.
I don't know whose that is, but
What are you running for engine?
LS3.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, even like the kit and everything, I've never seen this as a race car. It's pretty sick.
Woo. I got it.
That is clean.
Yes, ma'am.
Woo.
What was your best time today?
I'm stuck.
Was that your stuff?
I'm running really old tires that I shouldn't have been running, and I've been stuck in 59.3 the entire fucking weekend.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see them. Look at the edge.
Oh, yeah.
They're toast.
I mean, you're scrubbing them though, you know?
Yeah. I mean, these. I think I'm on like heat cycle number 26. Yeah. I was trying to be cheap, and like I knew I wasn't gonna podium at this event, so I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna spend $2,000. You know, I can go have just as much fun. Well.
Yeah.
In hindsight, I'm having a little too much fun, obviously. It's a little sketchy.
A lot more fun than we are, right?
Yeah.
That's fair, that's fair. I can't argue that. Probably not as hot as I am though right now. No, that's it, Lime Rock.